Linux Mint Bootable USB. Quick boot instructions inside. Includes dual connector for modern PCs and for legacy older PCs. Plug it in, turn on the PC, start tapping the boot key. Select USB device under legacy or UEFI, both should work. At this menu, select either the tool or the OS, press enter again, and again. And it's live. Linux Mint is very user-friendly, similar to Windows or Mac OS operating system. Ready to connect to Wi-Fi, browse the internet, or work. For best performance and permanent use, install Linux on your computer's internal drive. That's it.